Hi, my name is Minhee. We are Vimeo. Today I'm going to make kimchi gatchari. What is kimchi gatchari? So, kimchi gatchari is basically like a salad. It's super easy to make. First, cut the cabbage so you can wash it easily. I'm going to separate them. So you should have something like this. After you washed it, cut it into pieces, cut in half, and this side. So after we cut the cabbage like this, let it drain and dry out. Let's make kimchi gatchari sauce. Get a big bowl, hot red pepper flakes, sugar, minced garlic, salted shrimp, anchovy sauce. Mix it. So we are all done with the sauce. Now just mix it with the cabbage. Small amount first, mix it, and then another. Mix it really well, but don't squeeze it. And after you mix it all, very simple and easy to do kimchi gatchari is all done.